Okay, so I have a reel here in Canva. So like if I play it, you can see it's set up. I have the graphics and stuff already in there. And this is what you're needing. So you're trying to change the text, right? So first you're going to want to make sure you have your data. So in my reel here, I have like this headline, then there's a detail, and I have three details, right? So for my sheet, I went ahead and put headline, detail one, detail two, and detail three, because that's how many I have. And I've gone ahead and added data into here. Yes, I know I misspelled some things, but I was just throwing this together quickly. So I have this, and then I'm going to go ahead and I would go to download and go to comma separated values, which is a CSV file, and download that. I'm not going to click that here because I've already downloaded this ahead of time. So now we're going to come into Canva here. I'm going to click on the first little page, and then go to apps and bulk create, and click here, right? I do recommend that you make a copy of whatever reel it is so that you're not directly editing the reel itself. That's just me. I actually made a whole different version of this reel. You can see it's existing reel for a demo just because I knew I was going to do this. So um, now we're going to go ahead and we want to upload data. And I'm going to go and grab that CSV sheet that I just had. Let me move some of the Zoom stuff out of the way to get to that. All right, and so it's showing like, hey, I have a headline, I have a detail, I have a detail. Okay. So what I'm going to go is this is the headline stuff. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to right click and I'm going to go to connect data. And then I'm going to select headline. And then I'm going to jump over to the next panel in the reel, and I'm going to select that text. I'm going to connect data, and I want that to be detail one, right? Jump to the next panel, select that text, connect that to data, and that data goes to detail two. So jump over to this next panel and come up, right click, connect data, detail three, right? And so over here, over here on the left, you can see it has everything is connected to something, right? So I'm going to go ahead and continue. And it's asking, do I want to generate the four designs? So I'm going to go ahead and say generate. And then we're going to sit here and wait a minute while it does that. And so now I have one, two, three, four different starts of reels, but they're all in the same file right now. So for me, I know, let me try and get this out of the way. So for me, it's like 1, 2, 3, 4. So every 4 pages is a reel, right? And I'm gonna go ahead and download, and I just want pages 1 through 4 would be that first one. And then I'm gonna go ahead and I would download that. But you can see here's the first one. So like headed to Cali, the next one headed to Denver, the next one headed to Mount Shasta. But that's how you would add the data. And then you just have to download each of the sets of pages that are your reel uh, as its own file. And that's how you would have that done. Let me know if you have any questions. Feel free to drop them in the comments. If you were speaking to me in DM already, just go ahead and DM me about it. Okay. Have a great day. Bye.